Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your character appearance in our creators. Let's begin by opening the radar menu. From there, you can select the customization option. Here you can change your outfit. Of course, most of those are locked or unlocked via in-game currency or quests. And there is the backpacks, attachments for the backpack and charms, and the radar tool. For now it's only the one. But to change your actual character appearance, simply go to appearance right here and you can change your character face from the selected presets. You can change the face style. Of course, it also unfortunately requires in-game currency or missions to unlock. You can unlock hairstyles. Most of them are unlocked by the default, but few are locked, as you can see. And also there is body type, slim and wide body type, or simply male and female body type. You can, from here, you can also customize your emotes. Most of them are locked behind currency or mission or the radar deck. And you can customize the look of your Scrappy. Your pet chicken can have few different skins. By the default there are two available, the brown one and the, well, summer one, the typical rooster. There is also the pitch black one and the yellow one. Here also you can change his outfit. All of those are locked behind a paywall, unfortunately. And that's all from the customization. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.